Thanks for joining this session on team science training across personnel preparation projects. Victor Lugo and I are co-instructors for a graduate level team science course this summer. It includes cross-disciplinary participation across 4 grant-funded personnel preparation grant projects. Today, I'll briefly introduce team science and discuss some of the components of the course and feedback from the graduate participants. As you may already know, team science refers to the scientific collaboration between one or more individuals in an interdependent fashion. We believe we all really benefit from those scientific collaborations for better research outcomes. And so we feel the training is really important to include in our personnel prep projects. This summer's course included 18 doctoral students participating in training from a variety of different disciplinary backgrounds, as you can see: education, special ed, psychology, social work, and speech language pathology. The core components to the course include background on team science, preparing for team membership and leadership, how to assemble teams and what to consider in selecting members, and then a lot of practice in collaboration plans, data sharing, authorship agreements, and perhaps most importantly, creating psychologically safe spaces for collaboration. The assignments for the doctoral level course, here are a few of the core assignments. The students developed elevator pitches to elicit members with commonalities in their shared visions. They refined their mission vision statements, they developed collaboration plans and authorship agreements, and the course culminated in a collaborative research proposal. Feedback from including this training in their doctoral program: we did a thematic analysis of their written reflections, and this graphic from the LexiMancer software shows 3 core themes in the benefits that students reported. And you can see students kind of converged across different students, converged on some of the same themes in really benefiting from diverse perspectives, benefiting from diverse research methods and ways of doing things, leveraging each other's expertise, which led to more innovative ideas. And to share a few quotes of these benefits, the first, this benefit of diverse expertise and methods. And as you see, one student wrote, "I think one of the big benefits of team science is that it allows people to showcase and share their ideas and expertise." Another student wrote about diverse perspectives and stating, "One of the advantages of working in these cross-disciplinary teams is what you learn from those views, perceptions, biases, backgrounds, and histories that come from people from disciplines that are different from your own. It allows everyone to learn, stretch, and build new knowledge." And finally, one last quote from a student's written response. She wrote, "Through the process of allowing ourselves to be vulnerable and open to new challenges, my colleagues and I gained knowledge about designing a study in which researchers and practitioners mutually benefited." So they were really leaning on translational science there. We also noted some challenges that students reflected on in this process of engaging in team science. We step out of our comfort zones and we see those differences in perspectives and ways of doing things can be a hurdle that we have to work through. And certainly barriers in time and scheduling, bringing people together, as well as a few students who noted difficulties with terminology and different ways of, our different acronyms that we use. Some quotes again to share reflections of students, just a few. These first look at those differences and the challenges that were associated in disciplinary boundaries, not wanting to overstep, kind of mediating between those differences, different perspectives, and having different ways of operating, learning each other's methods. And then, of course, the common theme of scheduling and juggling, trying to find locations to meet. In the end, there were more benefits than challenges in their reflections. And so we conclude by just reminding us that we see benefits of teaming in nature, and we feel this is a strategic way to prepare researchers for the field. Thanks for listening.